Ram's TRX is back as the fastest and most powerful production gas pickup truck in the world. The last time a Ram pickup wore the Street and Racing Technology badge was in 2006 with the legendary Ram SRT-10. Nearly 2 decades later, the 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX marks the triumphant return of SRT to the Ram lineup, opening an exciting new chapter in Ram brand's performance heritage. With impactful performance updates, the new Ram 1500 SRT TRX cements itself as the fastest and most powerful production gas pickup truck in the world, once again setting the record for the half-ton segment. TRX put the industry on notice when it debuted in 2021, and after a brief hibernation, it reclaims its spot at the top of the food chain. On the heels of the 5.7-liter HEMI V8's return to the Ram 1500 lineup, TRX ushers in the return of another American icon, the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8. When TRX arrives in showrooms, the super truck will deliver best-in-class power figures, boasting an immense 777 horsepower and 680 pound-foot of torque. These ratings eclipse the next nearest competitor by 57 horsepower and 40 pound-foot of torque. The 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 channels its grunt through a high-torque capacity TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission and full-time active transfer case, delivering full-time 4-wheel drive traction. With standard launch control engaged, TRX catapults from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, charging onto a best-in-class top speed of 118 miles per hour. At the front, blacked-out bifunctional projector LED headlamps with satin black bezels flank an aggressive, flame-red flow-through Ram front grille and SRT badge in the lower driver's side corner. The steel front bumper is integrated with a functional skid plate and oversized flame-red tow hooks. A distinctive animated lighting signature adds theater whether approaching or departing and when activating remote start. LED clearance marker lights are positioned in the functional hood scoop and on the outer edges of the front bumper. At the rear, premium, darkened LED tail lamps with satin black bezels and integrated blind spot monitoring are positioned alongside a large Ram badge and first-ever SRT badge on the TRX's tailgate. The TRX badge itself features a new, distinctive depiction of the famed apex predator, carrying on the tradition of iconic 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 icons. The rear end design is finished with a matching steel bumper that frames symmetrical flame-red tow hooks and aggressive gloss black 5-inch dual exhaust tips. TRX customers can choose an optional full-length rock rail for added body sill protection or traditional off-road powder-coated aluminum running boards. Optional bedside and hood graphics are available for added visual impact. The 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX matches the RHO's 11.8 inches of ground clearance, riding 2 inches higher and 6 inches wider than the Ram 1500 Rebel, the next most off-road capable Ram pickup. These functional increases in width and height are finessed by composite fender flares that lend a purposeful hourglass design and 8-inch wider body overall. Standard 18-inch satin black wheels shroud the largest brake rotors in the class and finish off the aggressive stance. Drivers can select 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels finished in satin black, with satin titanium beadlock rings as an option. The second-generation Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive performance shocks that debuted on the Ram 1500 RHO feature the same, revised internals and precision-machined, single-piece rigid aluminum casings front and rear. The solid construction, combined with machined, aerodynamically optimized and directional cooling fins, dissipates heat during sustained suspension cycling. Customers can choose to equip their TRX as a Bloodshot Night Edition that celebrates the return of the Apex pickup. Equipment includes a first-ever two-tone design for TRX, featuring a painted blacktop upper and a bold painted flame red center hood stripe. Additional exterior elements include distinctive splash body graphics and beadlock-capable wheels. TRX offers unmatched luxury in the half-ton segment with best-in-class interior appointments. Heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats, along with heated, ventilated, and class-exclusive reclining rear seats, complement extended leather and suede detailing throughout the cabin. A standard 14.5-inch Uconnect 5-center touchscreen, class-exclusive dual wireless charging pads, and premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system headline tech-forward hardware. Red accented carbon fiber interior trim, a glass-encased center console badge, and red outline TRX badging finish off the aggressive look. For the first time, TRX also features hands-free active drive assist as standard. This innovative driver assist allows TRX to be both thrilling chariot and relaxing chauffeur, and alongside RHO, makes Ram the only truck manufacturer to offer hands-free capability on a high-performance off-road gas pickup. Ride comfort, body control, terrain isolation, and handling are fine-tuned by Ram's proprietary Ram Active Terrain Dynamic Suspension Management System. This system adjusts traction and stability control behavior and works in tandem with the Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive performance shocks to adjust rebound and compression for various surfaces and driving conditions, even anticipating mid-air conditions to adjust the shocks for a composed landing. Software meets hardware with an enhanced urethane jounce bumper and 3-stage progressive hydraulic jounce control shock internals, which translate to outstanding end-stop control during extreme compression events. The 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX arrives in the second half of 2026 at a starting of almost $100,000, offering more horsepower per dollar than any other premium off-road full-size pickup.